At Ford's plant in Valencia, Spain, more than 15,000 machines produce vehicles including Kuga and Transit Connect. Keeping the machines moving is vital to avoiding costly downtime. An innovative new system helps to prevent stoppages by using big data. Called mini-terminals, they're connected to the machines without further sensors needed. Based on algorithms, the predictive system can detect early signs of machine failures and immediately alert engineers via a smartphone app. They can then plan a replacement during scheduled downtime before a breakdown forces the assembly line to stop. So far, they have saved more than 1 million euros in reduced downtime. The team behind the system, a first in Ford plants, is now looking to upload the data for global use.